Lost record at the Uber Cup. Catches the line again, taken charge since. Nice pickup. It's a good save from An to keep the rally going. And tremendous backhand.
2026 WBF 토마스컵 파이널. 세계 랭킹 1위 대한민국의 안세영, 그리고 그녀의 아성을 위협하는 불가리아의 국민 영웅 칼로야나 날반토바. 유럽 관중들의 일방적인 응원 속에서 안세영은 과연 이 거센 폭풍을 잠재울 수 있을까요? 지금 전율의 랠리가 시작됩니다.
Lovely touch. Asian Championships was the only title that she was missing. And now, the first Asian woman to do so. Player of the world. That was and then 2021, 2022 and 2024.
7-4.
Being the 2022 gold medal, but also 3 semi-final finishes with Korea. Tova played a very aggressive attacking game, showed great grit, a tremendous grit. She'll need to tap into that here for sure. Brilliant. Landed in. Oh, beautiful. Area up. Oh, nice. Missed it. Yes. Especially with 날반토바's age and the lack of experience can get caught up with that. Even though she's got nothing to lose here. Missed it. Lost record at the Uber Cup. Catches the line again. Korean team. And it did not pay off. Women's singles, she played 5 3 of 3 as well.
Service over.
Because the scoreline is all in her favor. Yeah, brilliant change of pace. First a flatter forehand to
First
set
game
things up,
won
and
by
then goes for the Korea the big advantage. The opening advantage. Nice low serve. 날반토바 on the other hand. It's a mammoth task here. Task has gotten harder. The hill has gotten bigger. Oh, late in the Anse영은 has to just readjust that judgment call. Super. 21, 16. A bit higher ranked opponents, and she beat them both. Talk about Neslihan Iron and also Kersfeld in the final. That's the longest rally we've seen in this match so far. Lovely pickup. Nice change of direction with the softer drop. While the persistent... Nice soft touch. Missed it. Young Bulgarian. Far better, far. First with the net exchange, now from the back court. And this is why she's quite so exciting to watch.
Seven.
Gave Anse영은 a little bit of a run for her money. With Anse영은 was certainly up from 7-9 down. 5-7 down. Wide. They're really taking charge since. Nice pickup. It's a good save from An to keep the rally going. And then, tremendous backhand. Good save. Still going. Voila. Gap. Nice shot. Yeah. Brilliant. 9-point lead, just. It's stuck in her position there. 날반토바, 3 straight points. On long. Not really trouble. Anse영. And she does it as
불가리아 신성의 맹공을 침착하게 막아낸 안세영 선수, 이제 더 높은 곳을 바라봅니다. 대한민국 배드민턴의 전설은 현재 진행형입니다. 여러분, 안세영 선수가 우승컵을 들어올릴 때까지 뜨거운 응원 잊지 마세요. 다음 경기 더 압도적인 모습으로 돌아오겠습니다.